Your hands are a focus in the month of August. Some of you may be healing with your hands, possibly doing some type of healing, energy healing, Reiki. If you have been thinking about this, this is the time to do it. As you will feel your hands being activated, that fire that will be within you throughout the month of August is also within those hands of yours. You will feel this. This is the universe urging you to create. So do what your heart is leading you to do, and your hands. Listen to them. They are not crazy. Whatever is speaking to you, it doesn't matter what it is and how crazy it seems. Do it. You will be glad that you did.